Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Happy Kona. I am Ruchita. So I have seen many people who always say that they don't have a time or they are such a busy person. और जब उनके पास टाइम आता है they simply scroll on the Instagram or watch some random reaction videos on the YouTube instead of using that time wisely. So I am here sharing some productive things to do in a free time. So without any further ado, let's get started. Don't just think about the life you want. You are the author. Script your story. Writing is the best way to express yourself because many times we don't have someone to listen to our ideas, to our thoughts, and that time you should definitely consider writing. Writing on a paper makes you feel good and positive towards the scenario. It also reduces the stress and calm down the clutter from your head. You can write down anything and everything, what happened in a day, how you should have reacted, what improvement you should bring in your life. It also brings a self-awareness, and that's very important. Meditation is considered as most underrated productive thing to do. Actually, everyone has created a big bang theory around the meditation that everyone gets scared even to try once. Actually, I was one of them. My father has suggested me to meditate since ages and I was like, जो लड़की 5 मिनट भी शांत नहीं बैठ सकती वो क्या ही मेडिटेशन करेगी. बट आई वॉज रॉन्ग. मैंने खुशी पाठक का एक मेडिटेशन सेशन अटेंड किया था जिसमें वी डिड अ गाइडेड मेडिटेशन फॉर 30 minutes. Yes, trust me, I meditated for the first time for 30 minutes and it was a fabulous experience that I feel that meditation should be considered as a goal for 2021. Meditation really helps you to keep yourself in a present and makes you happier. It also clears all the clutter from your mind and makes you feel happy. In this busy world, meditation is an instant vacation. When you write down and evaluate your goals, you will declutter your life with unnecessary things. Like everything else, people have hyped the concept of a goal setting. It was considered that goal setting was done by the businessmen, the CEOs, the working professional, but it's actually not true. Anyone who wants to achieve anything, if no matter if it is as big as starting a business or as small as sleeping for 6 to 7 hours a day, if you have certain intentions and you write down your goals on a paper with the action steps, you are likely to achieve them. You can do this at the any day of your life. You don't need to wait for the 1st of a Jan or the first day of any month or the Mondays. You can start your goal setting at any day because you are the author of your life and you can script your story any day. Right book for the right person is not enough. It needs to be right book for the right person at the right time. Reading is one of my favorite thing to do in a free time. I can't tell you enough of the reasons and the advantages of the reading. If you want to increase your knowledge, if you want to learn from the life of others and have a better problem solving, you can anytime go for the non-fiction and the self-help books. You can also read the fictional books if you want to increase your vocab, imagination and experience the extraordinary things. You can anytime go for the fictional books. And if you are a busy person, you can definitely go for the summaries of the book you want to read. Currently, I am using the booklet app by the Amrut Deshmukh. It has amazing summaries and it also has the audio that you can use while working or while driving as well. The concept of this booklet guy is amazing, that read one book and get one book. So it's absolutely free and you can check on that. As it is said, if you have a new problem, read an old book. Clutter is one of the main barrier for the productivity. इमेजिन मंडे मॉर्निंग में आपकी मीटिंग है शार्प 9 AM को और वीकेंड के पार्टी की वजह से आपके फ्लोर पे चिप्स गिरे हुए हैं, आपके डेस्क पे चाय गिरी हुई है, वीकेंड पे आपने कपड़े फोल्ड नहीं किए इसलिए वो सोफे पे रखे हैं, झाड़ू पोछा नहीं लगा है इसलिए आपकी रूम बहुत अनटाइडी लग रही है. इस पॉइंट पे क्या आपको लगता है आपके मीटिंग में आप 100% दे सकते हो? Sorry boss, I can't. That's the point. Clean your room, clean your desk and find out what's important and what's not. और जो important नहीं है, you can give it to someone else, you can donate it as well and do this same with your wardrobe, your kitchen and everything from your home. Mental cleaning is as important as a physical cleaning. Don't hold on grudges and वो जो ego है ना वो थोड़ा सा side में रखते हैं. Also, forgive that person who have hurt you so badly and who is not even sorry for that. So forgive him or her. I am not saying to do this for that person, do it for yourself, for your mental peace. And now comes the digital cleaning. There are unwanted apps in our phone that we haven't used from the last 3 months. There are also 1000 2000 screenshots of the things that are of no use now, and there are n number of good morning, good night, happy Diwali, happy Holi images from your WhatsApp, from your family groups that should be deleted now. So now is a free time, go and delete those pics and those pictures, and also make a space for new memories, and for the old memories save them in your hard disk. Clutter, whether it is physical, mental or a digital, it takes you away from the productivity. If you clear all these things, you will feel really organized. The successful people learn something new each day. Knowledge is endless and personal growth is continuous. Always seek more. There is always that one thing we want to try or learn, and now it's a free time. You can utilize this free time. If you want to try a new recipe, go on a YouTube and search for the recipe of that thing and do it now. If you want to perform any DIY, go and do it now. If you want to learn some new languages, you can do it on an app like a Duolingo. Personally, I haven't tried a Duolingo, but I have heard it's an amazing app, and actually I am thinking of learning a new language. What do you think I should learn? There are many paid platforms like the Skillshare, Udemy, Coursera, where you can learn n number of courses from the creators of the world. I have a subscription of the Skillshare, and now I have made a point to learn as much as I could from the Skillshare. Exercise not only changes your body, it changes your attitude and your mood too. I know many of us are not consistent with the exercise, और reason क्या है? वही हमेशा कहा, I don't have a time. So now you have a time and go start your exercise. If you don't want to exercise, go for the walk. It's absolutely a pleasure to go for a walk. Actually, from the last 5 years, I have made a point that I walk every day. Go walk with your friend, with your partner, and if not, go walk alone and listen to the podcast, to the audiobooks. It's actually amazing experience to listen to these things while the walk. You can call your friend and talk for a while. In this way you can complete your walking as well. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. I guess this is gonna be your most favorite productive thing to do, that is sleeping. Yes, you heard me right. I said sleeping is the productive thing. Sometimes we work so hard that we tend to forget to rest, and health is our top priority. So whenever you get a time, take a nap of 15 to 20 minutes and you will really feel productive. The list will go on, and here I have shared my top things which I prefer to do in my free time. If there is something you wanna add, go and add in the comment section. I would love to read them. Till then, if you need any help, I will be there. Make sure you subscribe to Happy Kuna for more helpful videos. Till then, bye bye.